We have a 2003 Komatsu forklift. Has a Nissan K21 engine. Runs on propane fuel. Forklift model number is an FG25ST. Has a 5,000 pound base lifting capacity. Has non-marking cushion tires, good for use on solid surfaces, indoors and outdoors. Has a 3-stage mast. Mast lowered height is 84 inches. Forks raised to 188 inches, good for high lifting applications. Has an automatic transmission. 42-inch forks. Mast has tilt function forward and back. And also has side shifter attachment to move the fork carriage side to side. This unit's mechanic inspected and ready to work.